DeepSeek AI is like a powerful telescope, but instead of looking at stars, it looks at information. It helps us find things we are looking for. It uses something called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like teaching a computer to think. DeepSeek AI is very useful. It can help us learn new things. It can also help us do things better and faster. Imagine finding the answer to any question in seconds. That is the power of DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is easy to use. You do not need to be a scientist, it is for everyone. In the next sections we will learn how to use it. Are you ready for a journey into the world of information? Let's begin. DeepSeek AI has many benefits. One of the biggest benefits is speed. It can find information very quickly. This saves us a lot of time. Another benefit is accuracy. DeepSeek AI is very good at finding the right information. It is like having a smart assistant who knows everything. DeepSeek AI can also help us discover new things. It can find connections that we might miss. This can lead to new ideas and insights. Finally, DeepSeek AI is always learning. As more people use it, it gets even smarter. This means it will only get better over time. Opening a DeepSeek AI account is easy. First, go to the DeepSeek AI website. You can use any computer or phone. Next, look for a button that says Sign Up or Create Account. Click on this button. You will need to enter some basic information. This information includes your name and email address. You will also need to create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password. This will keep your account safe. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Create Account button. Congratulations, you now have a DeepSeek AI account. Now that you have an account, you can start using DeepSeek AI. It is like using a search engine. You type in what you are looking for. DeepSeek AI will find the best results for you. You can ask DeepSeek AI anything. For example, you could ask, "What is the capital of France?" Or you could ask, "How do I bake a cake?" DeepSeek AI will provide you with the answers. DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool for learning and exploring. The more you use it, the more you will discover. So, go ahead and start exploring the world of information with DeepSeek AI.